you doing, beautiful lady? You want to go ahead and give us your name, your age, and where you from?
Yeah, my name is Capri Daniels. I'm 23 and I'm from Montana.
Montana. How long have you been modeling, and when did you come to Miami?
I've been modeling for about 2 months, and that's about as long as I've been in Miami as well.
Okay, fresh meat. All right, so did you move to Miami specifically for modeling?
Give or take, yeah.
What type of modeling do you specialize in, or what is your interest?
I have started with runway, but I've done a lot of just lifestyle modeling as well. I did a shoot today for a restaurant, just things like that. Just kind of getting into it, seeing what I enjoy the most.
All right, man, you're definitely in the right part of town. Let me ask you this. Are you single, married, or did you literally leave a boyfriend to come out here and model? Okay, you're looking magnificent. We need a name to put with this face. What is your name? Where are you from?
Jazzy, and I am from Miami, Florida.
What is your ethnic background? Because you're looking in character right now. It's Arabian Nights. Where are you from originally?
Take a guess.
I don't know, man.
Who do you think I am?
I'm gonna say like Egyptian or Armenian or.
Oh my god. I wish. I'm just kidding. I'm Mexican and Cuban.
Get out of here.
I know, right? Like.
Mexican Cuban. Look at the camera. Does that look Mexican Cuban to you? All right. So hold on. How old are you? Are you married? Single? The guys, they gotta know.
Okay, I am single and I am 26 years old.
All right. How many offers do you have for Valentine's Day?
Too many. Oh my gosh.
Inbox is flooded.
Yeah, too flooded.
All
I'm
right.
already getting like gifts already. Like.
How does one cut the line? How do I get front and center in the inbox? How do I get to the front of the line in the DM?
I can't say that. That's a secret. That's a secret.
What's the invite I got to give you? Where I got to invite you to? Where have you never been that you would
No.
if that was the invite?
No, you will have to surprise me like with that. Like, yeah, you gotta surprise me. I can't give you the cheat code like to the game. Like,
Can't give it to
I
us?
can't.
All right. What was the best Valentine's?
May the best man win.
What was the best Valentine's date you've ever had in the past? Previously, What do we got to top? All right. What's up, incredible? What is your name and where you from?
Hey, my name is Amy. I'm from Texas,
Okay. Amazing, Amy. What part of Texas are you from?
Houston.
Get out of here. I was just in Houston. I'm in Houston all the time.
Oh, really?
Like all the time. How old are you?
I'm 25,
Are you single, married, dating? What's the situation?
single.
Where are you from originally, though? You're not Mexican.
Yeah, I am Mexican.
Don't look Mexican. I mean, you could be.
Do I?
All right, so who's your favorite Mexican actress?
Isa Gonzalez.
Oh, I thought you was going to say Salma Hayek. I guess that's a different generation. I'm getting old, guys. All right, so why are you single? What's going on?
I don't know. Just the right guy hasn't come.
Did you leave a guy to come to Miami? Is that what happened? You left some guy sad and crying and lonely, heartbroken?
No.
That face looks guilty.
No.
It looks like you left a boyfriend in Texas to live the Miami high life. Is that what happened?
No.
All right, so what brought you to Miami?
Because I'm a model and
Uh-huh.
I feel like there is more opportunities here, and I'm also doing runways now, and I really love that. That's why I moved here.
So you left your man to become a star.
I'm single.
Single? Did you leave the boyfriend to come out here or was already single?
I was already single.
All right, what are your plans for Valentine's?
I may be walking in Donnie Devil's show.
That sounds awesome. It's a windy day in Miami. All right, so I want you to leave with what is the number one thing that guys get wrong when trying to date a model?
I think just being a little bit too cocky. I feel like that's every guy's fault in a way, that they don't give the girls enough credit.
Yeah, do you think they may be overcompensating because it might be a little intimidating to try to court a model?
Could be, but I feel like I've seen that even before I was a model. So
Yeah, but you already were looking like a model. All right, well, listen, we wish you the best of luck in your endeavors in your career. You definitely got the look. It's a very competitive atmosphere. Let's see what you got.
yes, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Do you want to shout out your Instagram, anything else like that before you're out of here?
Yeah, my Instagram is just Capri Daniels.
Thank you, Capri. We appreciate you.
No. The best Valentine? I don't know. I can't really say. I can't say.
I guess you playing hardball.
I can't.
All right. Are you one of the models? Because I could be jumping the gun. Are you one of the models?
Yes, I am.
All right. How long have you been modeling?
I've been modeling now for like 2 years.
2 years?
Yeah, 2 years.
All right. What is the expectation for 2025? What are you trying to do as far as modeling is concerned? What's the goal?
I eventually want to start my own brand. So.
Of what? Of boobies?
Ah!
Pasties? Bras?
I just want to start my own brand of like sexy clothes, like dresses, lingerie, kind of everything, a mix of everything.
A little bit of everything.
Yeah.
All right. Before you leave, tell us the number one thing that guys get wrong trying to date a model. What do they fuck up at?
That they think that we're easy.
Really? I thought the models were harder.
Nah, they think that we're easy.
Easy in the sense of what? Like
Like-
they got money, it's going down, or
Like like guys think like they could just hit it and quit it, and that's not how it is.
oh, so they gotta be commit. They gotta
put in that work.
you gotta put in that work. Well, what do they get though? If they put in the work, what's on the other side of the labor?
I've been always a star. I was just on the wrong place.
Okay, fair enough. All right, so what are your goals and aspirations for 2025? What is something on your bucket list for this year? What you trying to do?
Okay, well, honestly, I wanna support dogs, dogs that doesn't have a home,
Okay.
and also I would like to learn a new language. Well, two.
Okay. You gotta buy my calendar. I did a promotional nonprofit for dogs that need homes.
I really.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you the calendar. You'll like it. A lot of hot guys in there
I
for
would
you.
love to support.
Yeah. All right. So, what is your ideal guy? Give me some description. What do you like? Tall, dark, light, Mexican, Latino, Molano, Gringos.
I don't have a type.
Rich? Is rich your type?
No,
You don't like rich guys?
no.
Why not?
I don't know. I just like humble guys.
Humble guys. What if you met a rich, humble guy?
I don't know. I haven't met any.
You haven't met any guys that are rich and humble, or you haven't met any rich guys?
No. Well, I don't know. Honestly, I just want like a humble guy, respectful, and that has goals in life, and that's pretty much it. That makes me feel good, and I make him feel good too.
Okay, wait. He has goals, or he's already accomplished goals? It's two different things.
No. Well, it doesn't matter for me, honestly.
This is serious questions here.
As long as you have goals in life, and you have something, that you want to achieve something,
That you're working towards, and you're making progress.
Yeah.
Are you a ride or die? Are you a supportive girl? Are you a girl that's going to be with a guy on the come up as he's building his success? Or do you come after and he's already won, he's already proved himself?
That's for me to know and for them to find out.
Oh no, that's all like an awkward deal. It's like, yo, work and I'll pay you. How much? Well, do the work first and you'll see.
No, we can't say. You gotta keep it player. You
That
can't
sounds like a
say
scam. It sounds like a trick. Are you a scammer? Are you Nigerian? Come here. So I'm supposed to take your word for it?
Yes, you have to say my word for it.
All right, well, let me ask you this.
It's worth it.
What is your ideal guy? Give us a little bit of description of your ideal guy. Some attributes. What do you got?
I like an old-fashioned gentleman, a real provider.
Sounds like a sugar daddy so far, but keep going.
No, not a sugar daddy. At the end of the day, like if you want me to look good, put in the work. So,
Okay.
Yeah, and I just like open the door, buy me gifts. Like that's what I like.
So hold on. Let's say you have this ideal guy that's doing all these ideal things. Are you going to put in the work for that guy?
I don't work jobs. I am a job. So
I don't know. That sounds too high maintenance for me. I'm just going to play video games and watch my Pornhub. Yeah. That's more in my budget. All right, thank you, sis. I appreciate you. We out.
Well, I feel like if I'm comfortable with you, it doesn't matter what's the financial position.
You were born in Mexico or you were born in Texas?
Texas.
Interesting. Fair enough. All right, couple more questions and we're out of here. Do you have a Valentine's? Yes or no?
No.
Uh-oh, guys. Uh-oh. All right, so how can guys get to be your Valentine's? What does it take? What's the most important thing to you right now?
Honestly, I would like him to be like super romantic.
Romantica.
Yes.
All right, give me an example of the best Valentine's date you've ever had. What's the best that a guy's done for you?
Well, it was a Mexican guy, and he sent me the mariachis, and that was like so cute.
I don't know what that is.
Mariachis is like a group of people that sings like music.
Oh, okay. He had some people come and play live music for you.
No, he doesn't have to do it though. The
No. He
mariachis
sent them. He sent them
Yes,
to play
he
the
sent
live
them,
music
and
for
like
you.
he's just right there holding roses and like
Ah.
that's super cute. Yeah, I love that.
All right. That might could work. You know me, I'm gonna try to book Boys to Men. You know, I heard they're still working. All right. Any advice you want to give the guys before we get out of here?
Yes.
Give them some advice for dating models. What's a good thing to keep in mind, or what's the worst mistake you can make with a model?
The worst mistake. Just be honest and like be yourself.
That sounds kind of generic.
It does. I mean, that's really important though.
Oh, yeah, but for a model specifically, what's
For
a
a
good
model?
tip to date models? Some guys, they want to date models.
Well, I feel like a lot of the guys feel like models are just like really hard to like, approach. But it's
Exactly.
not. It's not.
You don't think so? Or maybe
It's
not.
not.
You're not hard to approach.
I don't know.
All right, guys. Hey, man, you're not going to get much out of them. But, hey, we're trying. All right, thank you for everything. I appreciate you.
Thank you.
You look gorgeous. And I hope you reach all your dreams and everything you're trying to do in Miami. Yeah, man, don't let Miami ruin you.
No.
Stay a sweet girl.
No.
Cool? All right, we're out here. Peace.
Shout out Authentic Alphas. Like and subscribe.
For the boys, leave a like and leave a comment on Authentic Alphas. Hit that bell.
Shout out Authentic Alphas. Real shit.
Have a great night. Happy New Year. We'll
Happy
see you
New Year,
later.
man.
Hey, be
Hey,
safe.
Hey, man, I love you guys,
Have a good
man.
one.
Live life, brother.